Good morning, welcome to CATEX TV. My name is Frank Fortunato. Today is Wednesday, June 20th, 2012. At some point today, it'll be the first day of summer. And if you're in the northeastern U.S., you know that it's going to be a scorchingly hot day. There's been some sort of a hostage situation that's been developing in Toulouse, France, the southern French city that was the scene back in March of a gunman killing 3 Jewish school children, a rabbi, and 3 French paratroopers. This seems to be a bank robbery gone awry. The bank robber has approximately 4 or 5 hostages in a French bank. The bank is CIC. Shots have been fired. It seems to be a robbery gone wrong. He's immediately claimed that he has Al-Qaeda affiliations, no doubt presuming to get some more favorable treatment by the press. But what's happening is the French are sending their elite security details, anti-terror units, to the scene. Egyptian officials are maintaining a conspicuous silence about the health condition of former President Hosni Mubarak. Some reports have him as already clinically dead. He's been transferred to a military hospital. In a sign of how quickly people forget, one of the news sites I visited this morning had the question, "Who is Hosni Mubarak?" so people could learn as to who this name was that was appearing in the news. He had only been the president of Egypt for 30+ years. The European Union is considering phasing in new capital rules for the life insurance industry as it pertains to Solvency II. It's talking about giving them 7 years transition period in order to get ready for the new surplus requirements caused by the new solvency regime. There's a meeting going on in Brussels right now in which they're discussing a compromise. The final decision is going to be made later this week. German insurers, German life insurers in particular, are the ones complaining the most about it. A powerful typhoon made landfall in Japan yesterday. It's the first time a typhoon has hit Japan, landfall-wise, since 2004. It hit in the southern Wakayama prefecture. It caused evacuations of about 84,000 people. The primary coastal windstorm insurance provider of Texas, the insurer of last resort, may not be able to pay claims if a major hurricane hits the coast. This is according to the chairman of the Texas House Insurance Committee. He sent a letter to the state insurance commissioner yesterday saying that a number of circumstances have occurred over the past 18 months, resulting in a current financial condition of the association that's much worse than any of us had anticipated. He said some of the factors include ongoing litigation costs connected to 2008's Hurricane Ike, a weak bond market that makes it difficult to sell bonds to help finance the association, and too low insurance rates. Eurozone members attending the Los Cabos summit that broke up yesterday in Mexico have now promised to take all necessary measures to save the euro. Backed by key EU members including Germany, France, and Britain, the joint communiqué said that they will take all necessary measures to stabilize the single currency bloc, including moves to, quote, break the feedback loop that has weak governments piling on more and more debt to bail out their banks. In the financial markets, all eyes today are on the 2 o'clock release of the Federal Reserve minutes and questions as to whether Mr. Bernanke is going to instigate further measures. A gas explosion at the Gaylord Opryland Resort and Convention Center in Nashville caused the evacuation of over 5,000 guests last night. No injuries were reported. They were allowed back in earlier this morning. Some sort of blast occurred in a mechanical room on the first floor. You can be sure that nothing was stolen from the room because hundreds of sheriffs from around the country were staying at the hotel for the 2012 annual convention of the National Sheriff's Association. And this will be the first of not too many poll numbers we're going to give you, but Mr. Obama, the president, has opened a significant lead over Mitt Romney in a Bloomberg national poll. Obama leads Romney 53 to 40% among likely voters. The survey suggests that Mr. Romney, the former governor of Massachusetts, has yet to repair the damage that he inflicted upon himself during the Republican primary campaign. That's the news for today. If we have any breaking news, we'll come back and tell you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.